Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here to show you the new model, the 240 Vantage 2023. What an incredible job they did with this boat. It does everything well. It's a single horsepower, but it's a Mercury 300. The new Mercury's made in America on it. Phenomenal motor. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 240. Start at the back of the boat. They've got really comfortable seat here. Pretty much a two adult seat here. Three friendly, and if you just hanging out and everything else, if it's in the way, goes conveniently out of the way. Gives you more room back here. You've got a little what I call a little small cooler back here, so you can put a half a dozen drinks, put some ice, so whoever's sitting here can just reach over and get drinks versus coming up to the cooler somewhere else. So it's mainly set up for the convenience of the people in the back of the boat. This seat here does a little bit of everything. I can do this, and then I can do this. So I can lounge two adults very comfortably facing this way, and I can also lounge two adults facing this way. So very versatile. Sometimes people like facing forward, some people like facing the rear, depending on your taste. You've got storage underneath, big storage. And then we've got the head. So you've got a vacuum flush head. In a 24-foot boat, there's very rarely a vacuum flush head. That's the top of the line. We put that in big boats and everything else. You've got a faucet with a pull-out spray. You can rinse yourself off. So really nice setup as far as the head. And it's good size with plenty of headroom. Here, so I've got a drawer for storage. I've got a 5-gallon pail for trash underneath. So very conveniently located for everybody on the boat. And then the helm, you've got the Simrad, so you've got, I can split this, I can put a fish finder in here, so I can watch my depth very clearly over here, chart plotter on this side, you got the JL audio on that, you got your Smart Craft, which gives you all your temps and all that stuff is all in there, trim tabs, Simrad VHF, really nice captain seat, so they did a really nice job on that. So the helm is very, very comfortable. And then you've got a separate door, so if you're going to block the wind, I can block the wind without opening the door in here, because sometimes things will blow out. And then you've got huge storage underneath here, so you'll see that you can fit just about anything you need. You can go right in here. I've got a 5-gallon pail that goes in here, and that is to receive the trash. So if you're up this part of the boat, 5-gallon pail, when you're all done, take it out, throw it away. Very convenient. Two nice comfortable lounges. You've got a fill-in cushion here. We've got a table up here as well. And then you can also access this huge storage with the bow. So huge storage in here. You can get the bucket out of here a little bit easier than going through this door here. But you can keep different things in here. You got, again, plenty of room with 2 access points. So, nice, comfortable, high backs on here, very comfortable for people sitting, so it supports your back nicely. Grab rails. You've got your windlass, and then you've got the beach boarding ladder. And the beach boarding ladder they've put off to the side, which is very, very nice, so it doesn't interfere with the anchor. And so you can drive right up onto the beach, drop it down, you step right down, right onto the sand. You don't get wet. You're not getting on and off from the back of the boat. So it's a nice setup. I can control the windlass right here or from the helm as well. And then if you do come off the beach, you hop up on here. This is all non-skid, all in through here. And then I've got a sprayer. Wash the sand all off, salt everything off you before you get in the boat. It's really, it's good for the boat to not have it on the cushions. So, great job they did. The hardtop, this is a 2-tone hardtop with the white and the blue. Adds contrast beautifully. It's a really good size hardtop on, again, for a 24-foot boat. So if you have any questions, you'd like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.